Feeling lost in the maze of Leeds Beckett project management assignments? Let's break down the key steps to conquer your assignments using Leeds Beckett's specific guidance. First, find the official assessment criteria, typically located on the module's My Beckett page. These criteria act as your North Star, highlighting exactly what your lecturers are looking for. Next, dissect the assignment brief, underline the keywords like analyze, evaluate, or design, and use those keywords to shape your research and arguments, ensuring you directly address the requirements. Now, craft a solid project plan, outlining your tasks, deadlines, and resources. This structured approach is crucial for staying on track and preventing last-minute chaos. Remember to allocate enough time for research, writing, and revisions. Leverage Leeds Beckett's resources. The library offers invaluable databases, workshops, and one-on-one support to refine your research and writing skills. And don't forget to cite your sources meticulously using the correct referencing style, usually Harvard, as specified by your module leader, to avoid plagiarism. Finally, before submitting, rigorously review your work against the assessment criteria, checking for clarity, coherence, and adherence to guidelines. This final polish can significantly boost your grade. Conquer your Leeds Beckett assignments by understanding the guidelines, planning meticulously, and utilizing university resources. Good luck.